Have you ever inserted a table in Microsoft Word, only to find that it stretches beyond the page margins? Instead of adjusting it manually, there's a quick way to make it fit perfectly with just one click. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically resize an oversized table in Word to fit within the page margins. Quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and select the oversized table. Click anywhere inside the table to activate the table tools. You'll see two new tabs appear at the top, Table Design and Layout. Click on the Layout tab under Table Tools. Locate the Auto Fit option in the cell size group. Click on Auto Fit and then select Auto Fit to Window. And just like that, your table instantly resizes to fit within the page margins without manually adjusting columns or dragging table edges. 3. Adjust column widths if needed. If the table still needs slight adjustments, you can fine-tune it by using Auto Fit to Contents or manually dragging column borders. And that's it. Your oversized table now fits perfectly within your Word document with just a single click. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.